everyone. I'm Juhi from the ICNA. I'm a child neurologist in India.
Hello everyone, I'm Sonali. I'm a pediatric neurologist from India and currently I'm an epilepsy fellow at Sick Kids Toronto.
We are very excited to welcome you all at the International Child Neurology Congress 2024 at the Cape Town in May, from May 6th to May 10th. And as you all know, the future leaders of the ICNA FLICNA meeting is on May 7th at the ICNC from 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. This meeting is open for everyone. Don't be under the impression that it's only for FLICNA members. We will be very happy to welcome everyone there. We would begin with a brief presentation about the FLICNA. What is FLICNA? Who all can be its members? What are the various activities carried out by FLICNA? Followed by certain short, fun and interactive presentations, which Sonali will tell you about.
Hi everyone. So as Julie suggested, for this FLICNA session, we've actually been planning for a couple of days and we've had active inputs and participation from FLICNA members from different parts of the world. With this FLICNA session, the idea behind this FLICNA session which we came up with was to be a platform where the FLICNA members and the young neurologists who are quite early in their career will get an opportunity to interact amongst themselves as well as meet senior members of ICNA. For this session, we thought of sharing some fun, inspiring real-life stories of how ICNA, its activities, and the senior members influenced the young minds and how they were pretty pivotal in us selecting neurology as a career, and we continue to enjoy this career that we have chosen. So it would be a nice opportunity for all of us, for the young neurologists, to get to know how fun and fulfilling the experience of participating in ICNA activities can be. I know it is during the lunch break. I know it's a time when everyone would be busy having their lunch, but still we request you to come and join the FLICNA session because your presence is actually important for us to carry out the way we have planned it. It's not going to be a serious event. It's going to be fun, light-hearted, interactive session. So we actually look forward to seeing all of you there.
Right. Thank you, everyone. Hope to see you there.
Thank you so much.